I usually wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I usually eat some bread with butter, eggs, and a cup of tea. At 8 o'clock, I leave home and go to work. I usually take the bus, but sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers and check my emails. I spend most of my morning attending meetings, writing reports, and working on different projects. At noon, I take a lunch break. I often eat with my colleagues at a small restaurant near the office. In the afternoon, I continue working until around 5 or 6 p.m. After work, I go back home and relax for a while. Sometimes I watch TV, scroll through social media, or listen to podcasts. Then, I take a shower and prepare dinner. I usually cook something simple like pasta, rice with vegetables, or chicken and salad. After dinner, I wash the dishes and spend time with my family or read a book. Before going to bed, I plan my tasks for the next day. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. And that's my daily routine in English. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up?